Welcome to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable run command box on Windows 10, 8 or 7. For that, I will use two methods. First one is local group policy editor and next one is registry editor. So let me start with first one method, group policy. For that, you need to click on this one start button. Type here group policy. Then click on this one edit group policy option. Here navigate to user configuration, double click on administrative templates, select a start menu and taskbar. On the right, search, remove, run. Remove run from a start menu and double click on this one. Settings. If you want to enable run menu on Windows, then you need to select not configured or disabled option. And if you want to disable or remove run menu from your Windows, then you need to select here enabled option. Then click on the apply button, and after that click on this one OK button and restart your PC once to apply these changes. Next one method is through registry editor. For that, click on this one start button, type here registry, then click on registry editor app, and then copy and paste this one path from this video description in the registry editor address bar. And on the right, you need to find no run debug. If exists, then it's okay. If it does not have here, then you need to create a new one. For that, right click on the previous page and select here new and then debug 32-bit value. Name it as no run and click outside. Again double click on this one no run debug, and by default it will have value 0. That means run command prompt or run dialog box will be enabled on your PC. And if you want to disable it, simply set its value to 1 and click on the OK button. Close the registrator and finally reboot your PC to apply the changes. Thank you for watching this video.